Okay, so this is a video to show you how to connect the Spike Smart Hub to a devices like computers or iPad, etc. So what we found is the connection through Bluetooth to computers varies quite a bit compared to different computers. The Windows is different from Mac, and also the Bluetooth discovery due to the difference in the Bluetooth drivers. It also becomes quite tricky when you try that on different type of computer. But on iPad, it's much more stable. So I'm going to start the demonstration with this video on the iPad, and I will show you on different type of computers later. So on the iPad, you should have a Spike app installed. So as you can see, I have my Spike app already installed, and I have my program loaded up already. So you can press this, the red connect hub. So on iPad, you notice there is actually no option to connect to cable because there is no cable you can connect to. So the first thing I do is to press the center button to turn on the hub. So once that's on, I can then press the Bluetooth discovery. So you can see now on the iPad, this device has showed up. It's Lego Hub My Steam. So if I press that, so it's unsuccessful. That's really good. So this happens quite a bit. So you might need to actually forget the device and try it again. In particular, if you tried it to connect into a different devices before, it will usually happen. So if you want to forget this, so you open up the settings app, you go to the Bluetooth, and in here, then you have the Lego Hub My Steam Teacher, which is my Spike device. So I press this, forget this device, so I forget about it. Okay, so now can come back to the Spike app and try it again. So, okay, so it is already on. So I hope I will press the discovery again. So I'll start the process again. So turn it off by pressing it, turn it on. So, and then now this is on. Okay, so, and I'm going to press the discovery. So this showed up again. So I press it to connect it. Okay, so this time is great. This time is now connected, completely successful. So you can see now I have my green lights turned on, and I can also have all the motor informations and sensor informations. So this is how you can connect to a iPad. So just notice that you might need to forget the device if you have connected to a different computers or machines before. Okay, so I'm going to turn this one off, and I'm going to show you how to connect to a proper computer. Okay, so